Hey guys, how's it going? Lone Wolf Lockpicker here. Just wanted to jump on this evening. It's been a week or two. I think it's been about 2 weeks since I made my last video. So I wanted to, I've been really busy, but I wanted to jump on, make a Stock Lock Sunday video and a couple other videos because I got a pretty nifty package in the other day that I want to show you guys. But this is the Stock Lock Sunday video. We're going to be picking this mortice lock, 5-lever Yale lock. There's the bitting. I'm going to be using the UK lock pickers, wires and holders and tensioner and stuff that I won in their giveaway. It's pretty awesome. So, go ahead and put this here. Get started. Okay. So now we're going to just start. Mounts it on 1. We'll click on 2. Click on 3. Mounts it on 4. Mounts it on well, maybe click out of 5. Click out of 4. One still spun or springy, 2 still springy. I'm going to reset it and get another start. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Click on 5. Get another restart here. Click on 5. Click on 4. Nothing on 3, 2. Nothing on 1. Try to get a better way to tension this, but click on 4, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Alright. I wasn't having this much trouble there a bit ago. Gotta figure out what's going on. Okay, let's start with 5. Click on 5. Click on 4. Click on 2. There we go. And we got an open. Let me go ahead and take this guy apart so you guys can see what's inside. Okay. There's the levers. Okay, start with one. It's a 5 cut. Number 2, 4 cut. 3, 4 cut. 4, there's a 3 cut. Last but not least, number 5 is another 4 cut. Now these do have false gates in them, but they're a little weird. They're on the bottom. Haven't seen that before, but I will show you how they work. Let me get these guys put back in. Okay, last one. All right. I will put this guy on the front for a second. So that we can turn this around like that. I'll take it off so I can show you guys here. To get that false gate hit, you would have to have all these pushed up. There. That's how the false gate. So you would have to have those pushed up all the way. Now I have hit these false gates a time or two, but that's because I was pushing them way too high. But that's all I got for you today on this Stock Lock Sunday video. I want to give a shout out to UK Lock Pickers, because without their help and without winning their giveaway, I wouldn't have got into lever locks. At least not this soon anyway. I am going to have a giveaway video coming up, and I'm also going to have a package opening video coming up here in the next couple of days. And I want to talk about, somebody has gotten in touch with me to kind of give them shout outs on my channel and stuff, and they would, we're still trying to work out we're trying to get it to where, on some of my giveaways, they'll send me stuff to put into my giveaways. But that's all I got for you guys right now. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.